Imagine a world where decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, can operate with the same legal recognition as traditional companies while still maintaining their core principles of community control and decentralization. This may seem like a utopian dream, but it's now a reality thanks to Wyoming's groundbreaking legislation that legalizes DAOs through the Decentralized Unincorporated Nonprofit Association, DUNA framework. But here's where it gets interesting. This innovation has the potential to redefine the way we think about blockchain governance and its relationship with traditional legal systems. The concept of limited liability has been a game changer in the business world, and its impact on governance has been profound. The introduction of limited liability corporations, LLCs, in the 19th century revolutionized the way companies operate, allowing investors to protect their personal assets while enabling the growth of large industrial enterprises. This shift from unlimited liability to a structure that protected individual shareholders also redefined corporate governance, embedding legal authority into shareholder control. Fast forward to the 1970s, when Wyoming pioneered the creation of the Limited Liability Company, which later gained widespread adoption in the 1990s after tax clarity and broader legal recognition were established. Today, LLCs outnumber traditional corporations in the U.S. by more than 10 to 1. Now, Wyoming is making another significant move by extending the principles of limited liability and legal recognition to DAOs through the DUNA framework. This legal framework allows DAOs to engage in traditional legal activities, such as entering contracts, appearing in court, and paying taxes, while preserving their decentralized governance structure. The Uniswap Foundation has proposed that UNI token holders adopt a Wyoming-registered DUNA to be called DUNI, which would enable the community to maintain decentralized governance while ensuring that on-chain decisions are enforceable off-chain. According to the proposal, DUNI would enable actions like turning on protocol fees, funding innovation, forming partnerships, and addressing legal obligations. Importantly, DUNAs are structured as nonprofits, which means their primary purpose is not to maximize returns for token holders, but to function as open blockchain infrastructure. This aligns with the original vision of many in the crypto space, to create value rather than extract it. However, some in the community may view the ceiling on the value a blockchain network can extract from users as imposed by Wyoming law as a constraint. Despite these innovations, DAOs have largely opted for traditional incorporation structures or have operated without formal legal existence. DUNAs, however, offer a new model that avoids sacrificing decentralization for legal recognition. If the Uniswap community adopts DUNI, it could mark a pivotal moment in the evolution of decentralized governance. Just as the LLC once transformed business structures, the DUNA could redefine how blockchain communities interact with traditional legal and financial systems. This would not be a speculative leap, but a structural one, aimed at embedding decentralization into the fabric of global. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think DUNAs are the future of blockchain governance? Or are there still too many uncertainties? Let us know in the comments.